Plants are adapted in a place, so the native plants support the native ecosystem. Non-native plants can have a lot of similar functions where there are plenty of drought-resistant non-native plants that come, say, from South Africa or Southwest Australia, but they haven't evolved here in California, and they haven't evolved to support the kinds of pollinators that we have, the beneficial insects, the birds, the mammals, the reptiles.
Invasive species are often introduced anthropogenically, and they are native to other regions. They commonly have a very high fecundity and tend to be generalists. And then these invasive plants end up outcompeting those native, overall affecting this area's biodiversity.
Plants are adapted to our climate, so once they're established, most native plants, if you've chosen appropriate native plants, aren't going to need supplemental irrigation, and with sort of water bills and water rates as they are, that's a great economic reason to plant native. But one even bigger reason, which sort of speaks beyond economics, is the fact that native plants support native ecosystems, and native plants have a relationship with native insects, in particular native pollinators. And we know that pollinators, besides honeybees, account for billions of dollars of pollination services.
So in order to remove invasive species, it's best to understand the plant's life cycle to make the process easier. And physically pulling them is oftentimes the best way to do it, even though it can be laborious and time-consuming.
Invasives have sprinkled themselves all around Santa Barbara area, from our mountains to our coastline. However, many organizations, such as the Botanic Gardens, have been focusing on our upper watershed areas, so they can potentially track and limit these invasives from traveling down the stream. But how can we mitigate these issues as high school students? Within our local Mission Creek, 17 invasive species have been identified. To limit their spread, we can collect data through the iNaturalist app, or volunteer for community events that target the removal of invasives. If truly found passionate about our environment, I also recommend potentially taking this data to our city council. Although these strategies are time-consuming, and for most students we don't have enough time to take a more political approach, if we download the iNaturalist app, we can take photos on the go. Also, when volunteering for such activities, we can request community service hours, which satisfy our hour commitment for college. Lastly, we can avoid planting invasives such as ivy, ice plant, etc., and instead plant natives around our community.
A pyramid of energy, the plants are at the base of that pyramid, converting the sun's energy into usable energy by other organisms going up the pyramid. And you can think of, I guess humans or carnivores sort of at the apex of that pyramid. So it trickles all the way up to us, and we rely on the native plants to support the biodiverse habitats that in turn support our way of life.